Whoop whoop! Hey, welcome back to another edition of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. Obviously, I am the Dirt Man, and welcome back. And we are doing a absolutely crazy vegan recipe. It's called Dirty Tomato.
It's not vegan, it's vegetarian.
What?
It's vegetarian. It's
Vegetarian?
Not vegan.
What's the difference?
Vegan, they have they don't eat products of animals as well as like cheese, eggs, all.
Gosh, I just can't keep this politically correct stuff back and forth, whatever. Well, it's vegan or vegetarian?
It's vegetarian.
Vegetarian recipe called Dirty Tomato Zucchini Bake. This is a great recipe. My stepmother, Lynn Courtney, created this, and it is an absolutely amazing recipe, so let's get started. All right, here's the ingredients for this great Dirty Tomato Zucchini Bake. We've got, this recipe is in the Dirty Girls Cookbook. It's on page 21. We're gonna be using some garlic. We got some croutons. The stars of this is the zucchinis. In the recipe, it calls for one medium-sized zucchini. I like the green and the yellow kind of mixed in together. I don't know, I just like them both. These are both kind of small, so we're gonna use that. One Vidalia onion, I love Vidalia onions. One large tomato, it calls for two medium size. We're only gonna use the one. Again, we got croutons, garlic, we got the margarine. We're using Parmesan cheese in here, Havarti sliced cheese, and then the original dirt, baby. All right, now let's get started. We have sliced up the zucchini. We sliced up the Vidalia onions. And this is the way I just kind of cut them right over here, just slice them right down. Same thing with the tomatoes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna layer half of this down in no particular order. We're gonna put the zucchinis all over the bottom of the pan. We got the zucchini down, then we're gonna put the onions down on top of that. And then we're gonna put the tomato slices down. And then it's going to call for some margarine or butter that we'll be throwing in here. A little bit of garlic, 1 tablespoon of garlic in here. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of the original dirt. Yummy, yummy. On top. And then we are going to put down 1 tablespoon of the Parmesan. Make sure that's in there really good. And we're going to put down some slices of this Havarti cheese. Lay that right on top. Minus the paper. And then we're going to throw some croutons in here. And then we're going to redo it all over again. Come on, there we go.
Thank you so much, Annapolis, for the call.
To stop. All right. All right. Now we're gonna put the Parmesan cheese down.
Dude, man. Why? I don't.
And then we're gonna put down a couple more slices down. 3 more slices right on top. All right. Look how pretty this bad boy looks. Isn't that pretty? We're gonna put this in the oven for 350 degrees for 1 hour, and we'll check back in a minute, or in an hour, or in a minute, or an hour, or All right, this came out just absolutely amazing. As always, this is so fantastic. You're just gonna absolutely love this. One of the Dirt Man's personal favorites. Oh. The dirt, the onions, the tomatoes, the Vidalia onions coming through here. And the cheese. Oh my gosh, this is good. It's crazy. Original dirt just brings out the flavors of any vegetables. It's absolutely fantastic. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. We need you to subscribe. Please share this video with all your friends and family, even your enemies. I don't care who you send it to, but please just send it out. We're trying to get the word out. And hope you enjoyed this video, and check out for the next one. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.